howdy, and welcome back to a Texan Shaves Blizzard Battles Artisan Challenge 2026, round 4.5. Yes, 4.5. Guys, I guess every aspect, well, that's not the word I'm looking for. Every outcome I thought could happen has happened already up to round 4. We have a tie, guys, and this is a final tie. This isn't a tie from my scoring. This is a tie from your scoring. So I'm recording this on Friday, just a little over 24 hours since the video dropped with Stirling, Shivering, and Subtle Arts Draconis Glacialis. The reason being is I need to record round 5 on Saturday for Sunday, so I have to have a decision on who's the winner. And because, let's see, I had, let's see, so I had 52 of you vote already in 24 hours, another record-breaking voting. You guys just were blowing my phone up yesterday with votes on the labels between this one. But there was a resounding 43 for Stirling's The Shivering over 9 for Subtle Arts Draconis Glacialis. So at this point, I'm calling it. Now, I will check tomorrow morning before I record round 5. I will check tomorrow morning to see if anything sways, but I doubt it's going to sway that majorly. So at this point, that gives the point to Stirling, which makes this a tie game, a tie round at 8-8. So I'm going to hold this up for you guys to look at, the scorecard. Let me get it all in there, because now it is up to you to decide the tiebreaker. And if you can't read this very well, let me know, and I will answer any questions in the comments. But as I mentioned in the rules, tiebreakers are also decided by the viewers. So we treat this like, I guess, a court of law, maybe. I have presented you with all the evidence I can of these two contenders. Their performance, their label art, the fragrance, how they smell, and how long the menthol lasts and how strong it was, and whether it lathered or not. All those points are there. So between all that, I need you guys to decide who's the winner. It's in your hands. You're the jury. So I'm going to put this out there. I want all the votes for the tiebreaker in the comment section on this 4.5 video down below. I will cumulatively pick all those. This is going up Friday morning. I will go through all of those before I make my intro for round 5 and choose the winner. Actually, I'm gonna drop this video today. I was going to drop it Saturday morning, but I'm going to drop it as soon as I'm done. I'm going to upload it and drop it, so it will be here Friday. It is currently 11:39 a.m. It should be up and posted at about 12:30ish. I'll set it for 12:30, and I need the votes for the tiebreaker so that I can calculate those and announce the winner of round 4 for when I make round 5 video. Any of that makes sense? Sometimes I'm just, okay, that's what's in here. What you're hearing is what's in here. I'm voicing what's going on through my head. I get confused, guys. I'm old. All right. I think my daughters may have a nursing home for me. Not sure. Anyway, so it's a tie. I'm calling it now. It's a tie. Vote for the tiebreaker down below, which one you want. Be sure you take into account all of the scoring I've given you. I'll run over it real quick. Both got a point for lather structure. Both were rated a 4 on first pass coldness. Second pass coldness went to Draconis Glacialis. Fourth pass coldness went to Draconis Glacialis. Longevity went to Draconis Glacialis. And fragrance went to the Shivering. But the label art was 43-9, so the label art goes to the Shivering, which created an 8-8 tie. So you use all that information to cast your vote below, and we'll see who comes out on top, guys. It's up to you, the viewers. This is how you participate in Blizzard Battles Artisan Challenge 2026. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time in round 5 on a Texan Shaves. Goodbye.